As a land surveyor in Agartala, working for SCON Design India Private Ltd, I am responsible for conducting accurate and precise surveys of various types of land and properties. My role involves the use of advanced surveying equipment and techniques to measure and map out the physical characteristics of a given area. Whether it is for construction purposes, boundary identification, or land development projects, my expertise as a land surveyor is vital in ensuring that accurate data is collected and analyzed. At SCON Design India Private Ltd, we understand the importance of reliable and detailed land surveys in the planning and execution of various projects. Our team of skilled surveyors, including myself, are well equipped with the knowledge and tools necessary to carry out surveys with utmost precision and efficiency. We utilize state-of-the-art technologies such as GPS systems, total stations, and laser scanners to gather data that is crucial for making informed decisions in land development and construction projects. As a land surveyor, my responsibilities include conducting topographic surveys to identify the natural and man-made features of a particular area. This information is crucial for designing infrastructure projects, such as roads, bridges, and buildings. I also perform boundary surveys to determine property lines and resolve any disputes that may arise. Additionally, I am involved in conducting cadastral surveys to establish land ownership boundaries and create accurate property maps. Working in Agartala provides me with unique opportunities to contribute to the development of the city and its surrounding areas. The rapid urbanization and growth in Agartala present numerous challenges that require the expertise of a skilled land surveyor. By accurately measuring and mapping out the land, we provide essential data that enables proper planning and execution of various projects. As a land surveyor in Agartala, working for SCON Design India Private Ltd, you will play a crucial role in the planning and development of various projects. Your main responsibility will be to accurately measure and map the land, ensuring that all necessary data is collected and recorded. This information will be used by architects, engineers, and construction teams to design and construct buildings, roads, and other infrastructure. Being a land surveyor requires a strong understanding of both mathematics and technology. You will use advanced equipment, such as total stations and GPS receivers, to collect precise measurements of the land. These measurements will be used to create detailed maps and plans, which will serve as the foundation for any construction or development project. In addition to collecting data, you will also be responsible for analyzing and interpreting the information gathered during the survey. This includes identifying any potential issues or challenges that may affect the project, such as uneven terrain or underground utilities. By identifying these obstacles early on, you can help prevent costly delays or mistakes during the construction process.